Mild steel channel is a typical structural material used in many sectors for building and construction. Much of their activity is in building construction and civil engineering. Because of their C-shaped design, MS channels, also known as C-channels, are represented by their web height and flange width. The MS channel primarily transmits horizontal gravity forces and is used for bus bodies, EOT cranes, and other engineering industry applications. Customers of Shri G Steel Corporation by MS Channel Act. Affordable prices. We set these channels' prices and standards for quality to maximize customer happiness.